This is Dawn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60. It's Sunday morning and we're getting ready for church, but I have 2 hours left before we have to leave. And I thought I'd bless my husband with some crumb cake. We need 2 3/4 cup of flour, 1 1/4 for our topping, and 1 1/2 for our cake, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 3/4 cup of sugar. We're using a 1/4 cup for the topping and a 1/2 cup for our cake, a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, an egg, 2 teaspoons each of cinnamon and vanilla, 1/3 cup of either sour cream or Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup of milk, and a cup of butter. So let's get started. I'm going to combine a 1/4 cup of sugar, a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 3/4 cup of flour, or 1/2 of 1 1/4 cup of flour, a 1/2 cup melted butter, 2 teaspoons cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're going to mix these completely together. We're going to add in the remainder of our 1 1/4 cup flour. We're going to combine this completely and then set it aside. This is our crumble for the top of our crumb cake. This is what we want our crumble to look like, and now we're going to set it aside and start with our cake. Now it's time to preheat our oven to 325 degrees. We also want to prepare our pan, either butter our pan, spray it with cooking spray, or line it with parchment paper. We're going to whisk together 1 1/2 cups flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Add a 1/2 cup of melted butter, a 1/2 cup of sugar, and mix on medium speed. Now add a 1/3 cup of Greek yogurt or sour cream, 1 egg, a 1/4 cup of milk, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. We're going to mix this together on medium speed. Now we're going to pour our batter into a prepared 9x9 pan. We need to spread our batter evenly across our pan. We're going to put our crumble on top and spread it across evenly. We're going to bake our crumb cake for 40 minutes at 325 degrees. It's been 40 minutes. We've taken it out of the oven. We're letting it cool completely before we slice it. It looks delicious. This turned out fantastic. I can't wait to taste it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And thank you for cooking with me. Have a great day.